Well, good morning and welcome to week 6. Hope everyone's having a great week so far and really enjoying our course so far. Definitely enjoyed the interactions. I've been able to jump in every once in a while and leave a comment or two to everybody. It's not been one of those things where I've been overly ambitious on that. I am teaching 2 sections of this class, so it's one of those things where I guess you left the questions a couple of times. So don't always comment on everybody's things, but know that I'm here and I'm reading your post, and hopefully it's a good thing. I know some of our discussion questions have been a little bit unique, and it's been one of those things that maybe some of you guys have enjoyed or maybe not enjoyed. Um, Feel free to always send me feedback on that if you like questions or don't like questions on things. I can definitely get things changed from time to time. I did not design this course, so definitely did not come up with these questions, but it's one of those things where I definitely understand kind of the context and understanding of things on this. All that to say is I'm definitely looking out for you guys and looking at what's going on. In week 6A, which is going to run through Monday through Wednesday, as we have been doing, we have the readings from the textbook for 299 to 302 and then 310 to 316. We're looking at Colossians and 1st and 2nd Thessalonians this week on the first part of the week. So we have the reading guide, we have the reading quiz as we always have, and let's see, we also have lecture quiz as well, which is going to cover lectures 22 through 28. So let's cover the themes of the New Testament from Acts to Thessalonians, 2nd Thessalonians. Remember that Map 2 is going to be due in week 7, so you guys don't have to turn that in right now. But if you do turn stuff in, let me know. I will definitely look at it if you want me to. If not, I'll grade those all at the same time. I'm totally cool with that. So no rush, but it is one of those things I want you guys to know about and kind of really get a grasp on and not rush to the end. Second part of the week is going to be Thursday through Saturday. We're going to be reading in the textbook 299 to 302 and then 303 through 306. Not sure why they just didn't do 299 through 306 on that, but that's what you're reading for the second part of the week. We have a reading quiz, and we have the reading guide as well. That'll help you out with that a little bit. So you definitely want to look at that and make sure you understand that. The second part of the week, we're going to be talking about 1st and 2nd Timothy, and we're also going to be looking at Titus and Philemon as well. Philemon's a very, very small book, but it's one of those things that is a good book of the Bible that's written by Paul, or at least most people think it's written by Paul. So we have a discussion board post on this week as well. Let me see if we have one for A. I just missed it. I did. I missed calling that on 6A, but we have one for each part of the week. So those are kind of things we're looking at this week. All the things are kind of easy to read and kind of easy to understand on things. Kind of interested to see kind of what's going on in the discussion board. So if you guys see anything weird or need any assistance with anything, know I'm here for you guys, and feel free to reach out. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with this week, and I'll see you in the discussion boards and in the assignments.